Hey guys, I actually have not made a video in such a long time. So today, we are going to be making just a little snack, I guess. So, first, you grab your strawberries. These are some freshly cut strawberries that I have in my house. And then I'll show you how much we have. We got lots of strawberries, so I'm going to be making these a lot. Well, not a lot because it's very sugary. But, so you grab yourself a bowl, make sure your strawberries are freshly washed, and then put as many as you desire in your bowl. Just add a little bit more. Okay, now that that is done, you go ahead and grab your sugar. So this is what we have our sugar in. And then you wash your strawberries again. Now we just, actually I'll bring the camera over. Okay. This isn't working very well, but okay. So you grab your strawberries. Make sure they're soaked with water. This isn't really the washing process, but then drain it. Well, don't drain all of the water. Just make sure you have just a little bit left in there, and make sure the strawberries are fully soaked. I got water all over my sleeves. Okay. Now you have, I'll show you if I can what they're supposed to look like. And then grab your sugar. And my family uses like these little cups. They're available at your local Walmart. And then just start. Make sure all of your strawberries, make sure none of them are stuck together. Oh, and grab yourself a fork. I just have a plastic one. And then sprinkle that all over your strawberries. If need be, grab more because you will want to cover your strawberries. And you won't need very much, just add your desired amount. And then grab your fork and just start and this is what it should look like. Then just start mixing to make sure that it's not also watery, because that might not taste the best. This is technically not really mixing it, but it kind of is. You just got to make sure that none of them are stuck together, and they each have sugar on them. Time for the taste test. Grab one of the smaller ones. Very sugary, but it actually tastes kind of good. Actually tastes really good. If you guys want more food hacks or baking ideas, because I have a few ideas of some new snacks to try, and if you guys want more of those videos, just comment down below, like, and subscribe. I hope you guys have an awesome day and stay safe in quarantine.